Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pho bo soup, easy method. Start by blanching 3 to 4 pounds of beef bones, then char an onion and a 5-inch piece of ginger over high heat. Toast whole spices in a dry pan until fragrant, then steep them in the simmering broth. Skim impurities and simmer gently for 4 hours for a clean, flavorful pho broth you can finish with thinly sliced beef and fresh herbs. Make your broth gently and with patience for the best taste. After blanching, roast or simmer bones with water, then add charred onion, ginger, and toasted spices wrapped in cheesecloth. Keep the surface skimmed and maintain a low simmer to keep the broth clear. Simmering slowly for hours concentrates flavor without cloudiness. Finish by tasting and adding fish sauce and salt gradually so the seasoning stays balanced and bright. Assemble your bowl just before serving to preserve texture and freshness. Put cooked rice noodles into a warmed bowl, layer thinly sliced raw beef, then pour piping hot broth over them so the meat cooks gently. Offer plates of herbs, lime, bean sprouts, and thin chilies for diners to customize their bowls. Garnish with green onions and hoisin or chili sauce if desired, and enjoy the comforting balance of savory broth and fresh toppings.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.